Tired of your OneDrive being a complete mess? You know the feeling. You save a file, it ends up in one folder, then another file somehow lands in a totally different spot, and pretty soon you're spending more time hunting for documents than actually using them. Well, here's the good news. In just a few seconds, you can learn how to move any folder to another location and finally get everything organized exactly the way you want it. So here's the plan. We're going to right-click a folder, select the Move To option, pick the destination where you want it to go, and then confirm the move. That's it. Let's walk through it together. All right, first things first. You want to start by locating the folder that needs to be moved. This is the folder that's currently living in the wrong spot, cluttering up your OneDrive and making it harder to find things. Take your time to find it on the screen. Once you've got your cursor right over that folder, go ahead and right-click on it. If you're on a Mac and you don't have a right-click button on your mouse, you can hold down the Control key and click, or just use a two-finger tap on your trackpad. A menu will pop up with a bunch of options. Don't let it overwhelm you. We're just looking for one thing in that list. Now, from that menu that just appeared, you want to click on Move To. It's usually right there in the middle of the list, so you shouldn't have to scroll or hunt for it. Just click that option and a brand new window will open up. This window is basically a map of your entire OneDrive, showing you all the folders you have access to. And here's the really important part. This is where you get to decide exactly where that folder ends up. So now that you've clicked Move To, you're looking at that new window with all your folders. Take a moment to look through them. Think about where this folder would fit best. Maybe you want it inside an existing folder that already has similar files, or maybe you want to create a brand new home for it right here. If you need to create a new folder, look for the New Folder button at the top of that window and click it. But if you're moving it to an existing folder, simply click on that folder to select it. A single click is all you need. It will highlight it so you can see it's selected. This is your chance to double-check that you've picked the right spot. Now, for the final step, once you've selected the folder where you want everything to land, look down at the bottom of that window and you'll see a button that says Move Here. Go ahead and click it. And just like that, OneDrive will instantly relocate that folder to its new home. The window will close and you'll be back to your main OneDrive view, where you'll see that the folder is no longer in its old location. It's now exactly where you told it to go. And that's really all there is to it. Once you've done this a couple of times, it becomes second nature. You can use this same exact process to move any folder anywhere inside your OneDrive, keeping everything nice and tidy. So next time you notice a file or folder that's out of place, you know exactly what to do. Right-click, Move To, pick the spot, and click Move Here. Thanks for sticking with me through this one. Happy organizing!